Looking not good. Guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we're gonna be opening this mystery box. And we're gonna see what's in it.
Our friends over at Garvee wanted to reach out and sponsor another one of our videos, and they sent us this box right here. I think we know what it is, but Bubba don't. And he gets to figure out what it is. It's for him. So, we're going to check it out. You ready, bub? You ready to figure it out?
Yep.
Okay. Ready?
I know it's purple. Take this phone out.
Cardboard right here. Pull this out.
I know what this is.
What is it?
A Jeep.
A Jeep?
So all we gotta do is put these parts together and then we're all good to go.
This is just like your side-by-side. It's got all the same stuff.
Yeah, all the same stuff, but purple.
You gonna test it out over here?
Yep.
Put it on some hills and see if it'll go good?
It's got a door and everything.
Try.
It's got a door.
I'll try.
Alright.
Put it on the little heel first.
Put it on the little hill out there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's do it.
Not that.
Let's get it put
Not
together.
the one that comes. Let's get the sucker built, boy. We're gonna get all the parts out and we're gonna lay them out.
Over there.
Over there. And this thing, this motor's right here. Is
That's one of the
supposed to
motors,
go.
yeah. We'll get all the parts out and see what all we got. They come in two boxes. That's gonna be the wheels.
That's gotta be the wheels.
It almost have to be because they went with one wheel in the box. Okay, and this is the wheels. Yep.
How can I touch this?
1, 2, 3 wheels. Yep, it's the wheels right here, bub.
And a lot of stuff.
These little shocks had the bolts already in them. But they also come with Loctite already on them too. So,
And this is not a normal Jeep.
it's not a normal Jeep. This is a racing, high-performance machine.
And it came with 3 motors.
4 motors.
4 motors.
Just some Allen keys to tighten these up. These are like bearings. So it's not actually a washer here. It's like a washer, but it's a bearing. Let's turn around the other way.
These are the motors for it. There's 24 volt, but it's kind of self-explanatory how to put them together. Slip it right on, put it right to the hole, just like that. And then you just plug it up right here. Here's your plug for it.
Plug and play.
Like that. It's ready to go. All you gotta do now is put the wheel on it.
So these are actually adapters for these wheels. I forgot about these.
You gotta have spacers on it. So these will go in here like so. Like that, and that pushes the wheel out. Yeah. That's
We
cool.
gotta screw them down first.
Okay.
Yep. And no one's gonna ride my toys because you always break them.
Yeah, he does.
You can break them, and you can.
What do you mean?
What you doing, Caden?
Working on it.
This thing does come with little plastic wrenches they give for these little cars. But we got the big tool out on them.
It's good.
All right.
Just 11/16 nut on there.
Slide it on there. Right there. There you go. Okay. Crank it down. Keep going. Now it's ready to flip over and hook the back motors up.
You guys already plugged the motors in?
No, we gotta lift it up and look in the back side of it.
Would you lift it on the ground and just test it a little bit without the steering gear?
The motor's just poked through the back side of the body here, and it's just direct plug and play kind of thing. Just plug it directly into the wiring. Then it's ready to go. Okay, we got to do an inspection, Bubba. We got to inspect everything. You ready? Okay, go there and check everything. Look good?
I'm about to go on dirt.
Okay, go in there and check it. Fenders are on there good. The door's shut good.
Lights work.
Lights work.
I can hear it.
Wireless connection.
It's right here.
Music playing.
Crank it up.
Everything's looking good.
Look good?
Turn music off. Got the remote in it. We just tried this new Jeep that you guys can send us, and we're about to go ride it more. And yeah, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on and then show you. This is the switch. It goes.
Wireless
Show you that.
connection.
It can go forward. It's in slow mode. Keep going. Get unstuck. Jeez. This one's a good stucking problem. Jeez! OMG. OMG! OMG! because I really like it, and it's 4-wheel drive. About to go. Like and subscribe.